Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 17 to 23, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see. Cancer. March 17 to 23. So this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, energy ng money, career, finances, love life, and family. Bottom of the deck is the Hierophant. You are building a structure sa buhay mo ngayon, no? Maaring meron kang dinedevelop na talents, na skills, abilities, and I see you na may recognition. Kumbaga parang napapansin ka na or mapapansin ka na ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo or sa field ng work mo. When it comes to your authority or yung standing mo sa trabaho mo or sa business mo, diba? You have the world. You are being recognized. This is also achievement, no? So, maaring ngayong week na to, meron kang mga accomplishments sa work, accomplishment sa business, or even personal accomplishments na, let's say, gusto mong matapos yung pag-aaral mo or gusto mong magtuloy ng higher education. Some of you, meron ditong opportunity for travel, no? Travel for work or paggagala. pwedeng international travel. Meron kang asikasuhin na ayusin. Can be visa or yung travel itinerary mo sa ibang bansa or somewhere na malayo. Okay, overall energy, the Hanged Man. Nagkakaroon ka ng major spiritual awakening. I think meron ka mga downloads ngayon na kumbaga parang nakapos. Alam mo yung eksena na nakatulala ka lang tapos marami kang nare-realize sa mga nangyari sa buhay mo base sa mga experiences mo. And parang may eureka moment ka na, uy, kaya pala to nangyari sa akin kasi ganito, no? So you are finally realizing the reasons why you need to undergo such experience, no? Your challenge is the Five of Cups. Oo, itong Five of Cups kasi ay losses. So, marami ka nare-realize rin yung mga bagay na nawala sa'yo, tao na nawala sa'yo, sitwasyon, opportunities na nawala sa'yo. And I think ngayon you are also realizing kung bakit sila nawala sa'yo at kung ano yung reason, no? Kung bakit kailangan mong mag-isa. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kailangang tahakin na mag-isa. Na you don't need other people because kaya mo on your own. This is also seeing a different perspective Kumbaga, hindi na ito yung dating ikaw So, marirealize mo na kung dati iyakin ka, ngayon mas matapang ka. Ganon. So, you have grown so much. Oo. And mas nagmamature ka. Your opportunity is the Fool. So this is a new beginning, new opportunity. You are taking risk. So yung iba sa inyo may bagong i-explore, bagong trabaho, bagong project, bagong lugar na titirhan mo. So kumbaga very open ka ngayon sa mga bagong experiences. And then your blessing is the Nine of Pentacles. So, ang ganda nito as a blessing because this is stability in your career, your finances, Very independent yung energy ninyo, no? And kayang-kaya mo rin tumulong sa iba. Kayang-kaya mo rin mag-share ng blessings mo. I also see, parang self-mastery. Yung iba sa inyo, if you are into teaching, kahit anong pamamaraan ng pagtuturo, whether sa traditional teaching or mentorship, coaching, training, ayan. So, maaring merong mas magandang opportunity for you there or mas maraming blessings na darating. So, pagdating sa money, you have the 6 of Cups. Meron kang babalikan na dati mong trabaho or dati mong pinagkakitaan. Maaring ngayon, kaya mo na siyang asikasuhin. Kasi pwedeng tinigil mo muna, tapos may iba kang inasikaso. So, ngayon, pwedeng babalikan mo yan. Yung iba sa inyo, I also see you saving money for your kids, kung meron ka ng anak. Saving money for your goals, for your dreams. May transformation, no? Changes coming for a brand new you. So, yeah, I think ito yung opportunity for you sa career, sa trabaho. May bago, no? May bagong magsisimula. At mas maganda tong bagong simula na to. Sa love life and family, you have the Star. This is healing. So, maaring nag-heal ka na from your relationship sa family mo or someone from the past. I also see some of you, no, maaring you are connecting with someone, lalo na kung may karelasyon ka, may ka-deal ka, you are connecting with someone na merong pagmamahal talaga sa'yo. Oo. And if you're single, you are manifesting your person. Parating na siya, kaya ihanda mo na yung sarili mo. Yes, dapat ready ka. Creativity, ayan. So, you're going to be more creative. May mga creative ideas ka, mga gusto mong gawin, i-pursue. You are tapping into your abilities. I think meron kang, parang eureka moment na, uy, magandang idea to. Susubukan ko to. Ganon. Psychic protection. You are protected. Someone is praying for you. Oo, merong nagpo-protect sa'yo. This can be someone from afar, no? Halimbawa, parents mo, or someone na who cares about you. And also, I feel like you are also protecting your energies, no? You have the harvest. Harvest is pag-ani ng iyong mga trinabaho. Yung iba sa inyo, kung may hinihintay kayong back pay, may makukuha nyo na. Slow down and celebrate yourself. Yes, you are celebrating your achievements. Kumbaga, sabi nga stop and smell the roses. Kumbaga, you are enjoying the fruits of your labor. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.